What is up, YouTube? It's Patrick Leary from Patrick Leary What's in the Box. So some of you guys suggested I go jump on the trampoline in the rain since I'm home alone. Why not? So, I'm going to go out on the trampoline. It's 5. I know it looks pretty late. It's not summer anymore. It used to be summer. But school started back. I hate school. Okay. 3, 2, 1. My trampoline is really, really bouncy when it's wet. It's not bouncy when it's dry, and I know that sucks. Or should I try a flip with the camera? Hashtag flip with camera. I just landed a flip with the camera. That was fun. It's freezing out here. Let's try another flip, and then I'll go inside. I landed it. Okay. I'm gonna go outside, or inside. I'm already outside. I'm going to, my dog really wants to come out, but I don't like him wet. He smells when he's wet. Okay, I did that. The inside is freezing now. See you later on Patrick Leary see you later on Patrick Leary What's in the Box. Make sure to subscribe, hit notifications, and smash that like button. Check out the Secret Room trailer, official trailer 1 for my new movie coming out October 13th. Bye.